Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and sign into your Fubo account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, now we'll simply start our video. For the matter, you first of all simply gotta go ahead, access a particular Fubo app on your mobile phone, and once you have accessed it, you're gonna find this kind of interface, right? So afterward, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, tap on this option called sign in, just given beside the start free trial option. And now you do have a three option. You can simply choose to sign in with your Facebook account. It will simply deduct the information and it will be easy. Same goes with your Google as well. Other would be simply for you to enter your email, enter your password that you created while your account, and tap on the sign in with the email. In case you have forgotten your password, go ahead, tap on this forgot password. You will receive a code for you to reset it, then you will be done. Otherwise, if you have created with any of the information on above, you can tap on them. For example, for me it's gonna be Google. Once you tap on it, it will simply detect the information and get you logged in without entering any of the information right there in the Fubo. That is the way you can simply do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.